Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make macaroni salad easy. First, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and add 8 ounces of elbow macaroni. Cook the pasta according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente, usually about 7 to 9 minutes. Once cooked, drain the macaroni and rinse it thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the pasta from sticking together, ensuring a perfect texture for your salad. Next, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a little tang. Finally, season the dressing generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This balance of sweet, tangy, and savory flavors is key to a delicious macaroni salad. Now it's time to incorporate some fresh, crisp ingredients. Finely dice 1/2 cup of celery, which adds a wonderful crunch and freshness. Next, chop 1/4 cup of red onion very finely. This provides a subtle bite without being overpowering. For a burst of color and herbaceous flavor, add 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, finely chopped. These additions elevate the salad's texture and taste. Finally, let's bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled macaroni, the creamy dressing, and all the fresh vegetables. Gently fold everything until the macaroni and vegetables are thoroughly coated with the dressing. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a perfectly easy and delicious macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.